everyone, welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make lavender shortbread cookies. To get started, zest 1 lemon into a bowl. Set it aside for later. Now add half a cup of softened butter to a stand mixer bowl along with 1/3 cup of granulated sugar. Add the paddle attachment and mix on high speed until the butter is lighter in color and fluffy. Make sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl when needed. Now add half a teaspoon of vanilla, the lemon zest from earlier, and 1 teaspoon of lavender. You can add more or less lavender if you like, but it's really powerful, so I think 1 teaspoon is the perfect amount. Continue to mix on high speed for about a minute. Then add 1 cup of flour and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix just until the flour is incorporated. You should get 1 ball of cookie dough. Lay out a piece of plastic wrap and add the cookie dough on top. Wrap it tightly, then refrigerate for 30 minutes to an hour. You want the dough to be cold so it's easier to work with. Once chilled, take it out of the fridge and flour a clean work surface. And add flour to the top of the cookie dough too. Use a rolling pin to roll the dough to 1/4 inch thick. Use any cookie cutter you like to cut out cookie shapes. Reuse the scraps and continue to roll and cut until all the cookie dough is used. Add cookies to a lined baking sheet and refrigerate for 20 minutes to get the butter cold again to prevent less spreading. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 12 to 14 minutes or until the cookies are just starting to brown on the edges. Wait for the cookies to cool before moving them from the pan. And that's it! These cookies are delicious. They're slightly crispy on the edges and soft in the middle. Lemon and lavender pair so well together. If you haven't tried this flavor combination, you gotta make these now. Let us know in the comments below if you gave this recipe a try. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Like and subscribe, please.